first tattoo on our way to the first tattoo.
This is gonna be my first tattoo on Friday the 13th. And I don't know if I do have an idea what I'm gonna get.
Girl, look it up.
Like you had said, there's like already pre-drawn ones, you know?
Yeah. Oh yeah, they have like a book.
Sometimes,
but you know, you want something. I don't know.
I saw one where it's like eyelashes and like that's cute, like for you, you know, like you should definitely get that, like I don't know, on your eyelids.
On my eyelids.
Permanent.
Right.
But I don't know if they have something like that. I'll probably go with that.
Oh, I totally see it with like a lipstick right here.
Oh yeah, like a lipstick. Yeah.
Oh, I see those too.
Right.
Oh, but that's gonna require shading.
Oh yeah.
You know, go big or go home.
You're right.
That's what it is.
Get a whole dragon on your back.
Oh my gosh, you whole dragon down.
Oh God, come on, car. We got this. Our car's name is Beth.
Beth.
Oh, Beth.
Come on, Beth.
Come on, Beth.
Knock
It's
on
okay.
wood.
Not too
Everyone pick up a part.
Oh my gosh. Take a side of push.
I got the wheel.
Alright guys, we'll see you at the tattoo shop. So update, we haven't found a tattoo shop.
It's only been 2 hours.
We've been driving around for like, I would say like 2 hours. I don't know how long it was. I don't know. It's been a long time right now. How many tattoo shops have we been to?
3.
3?
Wait, 1, 2, that half of one.
Oh yeah.
So like
We went to like 3 or 4 shops. One was closed, the other ones, they had long lines, and one of them, it was not exactly $13 special, so we decided to go somewhere else. So that's what we're doing now.
I can almost guarantee Lady Luck is not going to be on $13. Just by the way it looked online.
Yeah, it looks like a little bit more professional.
Oh yeah.
And they're probably going to do that same special, like they're going to charge $60, but like $13 would go to like charity. I mean, that's like good, but I'm trying to be cheap right now.
Right. Probably 10p.
Oh yeah, probably.
Yeah, you can check 10p. Ain't no reason to have a long ass line like that. People paying $60 for fun.
Right? If I'm gonna pay $60, I'm gonna go another
Just
day.
go on a regular day. I'm not waiting a long ass.
Like I'm gonna schedule it out.
Oh, Desi's
okay.
on
What's
the phone.
the minimum there? Okay. Thank you. That host.
Which one was that one? Lady Luck?
No, living campus on Mill.
Oh, okay.
There's $60 minimum.
Oh, wow. Dang, everyone's like pricing everything. Toilet paper, hand sanitizer, tattoos now. What the heck? Coming up to our next destination. Ooh, long line.
It's not that bad. I mean, they're open till midnight.
This is.
I don't know how else to. Okay, hold on.
Yeah, you just.
It was such a struggle to park right here.
I got real close.
You did it though. This tattoo shop only takes cash, so we had to make a stop at Circle K, and also we got stuff, chips. I got a cookie. But yeah, we're just gonna wait in the car, and I mean they have like our number, so they can just call us if anything.
Yeah, I don't even know which one I want.
Oh yeah, the design. I don't know either.
No, if I'm gonna pay that money, I'm gonna get the like most detailed ass one.
Yeah.
Like I'm gonna get my money's worth. I'm gonna have one.
Get the
put-
biggest one.
Right. I'm
Yeah.
gonna die.
The biggest.
On your thigh. So here's the whole line. Oh, we're just gonna wait. Oh, I wish you guys can see my makeup because it looks so good. See my makeup? It looks better in person.
It does. It looks really good.
My lips too.
This light did nothing.
Oh yeah.
Yes, look at the glitz.
The shine.
The glitz.
Ooh.
I wonder, dang, I should have asked them to do piercings.
Ooh.
Because, you know, usually, well, I don't know, the one back home, they do tattoo keep increasing for $13.
That's how I got this one right here.
Me too. I got the was it my nose? Or was it my tongue? I think I got my tongue pierced. And it was $13.
See, I want to get my tongue. I just don't know if I can do the recovery.
Oh, girl, I promise you don't want to do it.
Oh, okay, thank you.
That would be
It's
scary.
so cute though. Well, your tongue is literally going to be like this. It's going to be talking like this. It's going to be like thick.
Thickums. All right, update, guys. We're just waiting to get called. to get our taxes done. So, we're just gonna eat. We got some Taco Bell. And yeah. Oh, could I get some hand sanitizer too?
Some Taco Bell. We got some hand sanitizer.
Okay. This is how you put hand sanitizer on.
I'm done. What do we have on the menu?
So I got a spicy potato taco. See that in there? Some hot sauce on it.
What else did you get?
Hold on, let me put my sauce in it. You're all
I
excited.
got a beefy 5-layer burrito. Let's see if it's fresh.
These fries aren't fresh.
And I also got a cheesy bean and rice burrito. That's a handful. Let's see how the first bite goes.
Oh yeah, that's fresh.
It's good.
I wonder what this is. Little Mexican restaurant. El Charro Hipster. Oh, okay.
What's a charro?
I don't know. That's what makes it funny.
Flex. Just kidding. Are you still recording? Okay, update.
We should have went under the light.
I am tatted now. Woo. Thanks to Desi. She recorded. You guys seen it? And I got one with Jazmin.
No lie, that shit fucking hurt.
Oh my god.
But like, it didn't hurt, but it was like, damn, I really like. I'm gonna obviously fucking take it because the shit's gonna be on me one way or another. But damn, it looks good though.
Well, I can't see mine because it's like way back there, but you guys seen it. Yeah. I did it for you guys so you guys can see the back of my arm.
Back in my arm.
I think I'd get one again.
I know you are.
I'm like, I know you.
You definitely will.
We'll be going this
forgot to tell you guys that we were like basically the last group that went into. Like we got so lucky. Like, oh my gosh.
They had skipped our names.
Oh yeah, they had skipped our names and they had to come back to us again.
2 seconds. And they
2
skipped our
seconds.
names.
Yeah. And Desi checked with the lady up front. And then she's like, oh no, we didn't call your name, whatever. But soon after she left, Desi left to let us know. That lady, she was calling the names and stuff. She took one step and she was saying her names.
Right.
I swear that's what happened. We barely made it in. I'll show you guys the time. Bye,
But I'll
Desi.
see you
Bye, girl.
one of these days, I'm sure. Drive safe.
Bye.
Bye, girl.
I will. So I'm gonna end my video here with my first kind of vlog ever, getting my first tattoo. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to give a like, comment, and subscribe, and also share this video. Until next time, bye.